In this video, we will show you how to do funny tutorial how we can make Google Translate Moan. And this is a funny discussion but still relate into technology topics. And to make Google Translate Moan, and we need to put number 1 in here, and the rest is 0 until 103 like this. And Google can count until 102 characters with 1 and 0. You can see there. This is 102 character with 1 in the first and the rest is 0. And if you hear this,
100 duotrigintillion.
And if you reduce, Google
10 duotrigintillion.
Okay, you can see
10 duotrigintillion.
Google can count
100 duotrigintillion.
But if you put the 0 again in here, the Google Translate will moan. You can see here.
10.
If you put more than, will make Google Translate moan longer.
10.
That's a funny tutorial how we can make Google Translate moan, and this is just for happy guys, because we often do seriously, and this is just for intermezzo, and in the next post and video we will do seriously again. That's our tutorial how to make Google Translate moan. Hope this video helpful for you.